Hi there, in this video we're going to set up our SQL development environment, and we will be using this tool called Apex, which is owned by Oracle, which is basically where you get this virtual database where we can practice our SQL commands. So you need to have internet access. So as long as you have internet access and want to practice, you can log into Oracle Apex, and I can show you how to set it up right now. So you need to navigate to this website, which is apexoracle.com/en/learn/getting started. So let's actually Google this website so we can see where we can go. So we can just type in Oracle Apex. The first link right here. Click on this apex.oracle.com. So this is the main page, and you click get started for free. So this is the link where I talked about, apex.oracle.com/en/learn/getting started. And when you get to this page, there are some couple of options, but we are going to request a free workspace over here. So this is what you need to click on. So we can click on this. So here is where you set up your workspace. So I can just give my name over here, Angelo Cello, and my email address. And the workspace name. So notice that this workspace name uniquely identifies your development environment and is used when signing in. So this needs to be unique workspace name. So you can't have the same workspace as I have, for example. It needs to be something totally different. So I'm just going to type in SQL learning. Angelo. And your workspace should be totally different. And in my case, we are in Norway. And we can just click next. And you get some question and a survey. Are you new to Oracle Apex? Let's click yes. Do you plan to use this workspace for university class or training? Yes, yes. And then click on next. And here you just give some justification. So we can just write in learning SQL for studying. Then we can just click on next. And here are the guidelines. Make sure that you read some of these. And then click I accept terms, and then we can click on next. So here is the confirmation page where you can now submit your request for your own virtual workspace, your own database online where you can access. So I'm just going to click on submit request. And here we go, workspace requested. You will receive an email to activate your workspace once this request has been approved. So now I'm going to visit my inbox on email, and I should have that link. So let me go and log in there. And now I'm logged in into my Gmail account. And notice that we are getting an email from Apex X Norplay. Action required. So let's click on this email. And you should have notice that workspace request approved. So now we can officially create our workspace. And notice this environment. So keep a record of this, your information. So click on create workspace. Workspace successfully created. Click on continue to sign in screen. So here is where you provide a new password, and the username is going to be the email address that you provided, and the password can be anything. When you apply those changes, you can just click on change password, and there we go, we are logged in. That's it. That's pretty much what it takes. Most of the time we are gonna be getting involved in the SQL workshop. So when we logged in into Oracle Apex, we can just click on SQL workshop and click on SQL commands. So this is where you're gonna type in all the command in this course, all the SQL, where we're gonna master this technology. So that's the idea, and I'm sure you can do it, and I'm gonna help you get there. So notice if you want to log out, click on this button on the right corner. So before you log out, I'm just gonna remind you, so your workspace is over here. I choose this, and you should have a different workspace name, and the email account is also shown here. Okay, so let me just sign out, and let us return to sign in page. You can save this page on your favorite, so you don't need to figure out how to get here. Your email also tells you how to get to this page. This environment apexoracle.com pls/apex, and if you click here, it will take you to the same page, and you need to provide your workspace name, and these were the credentials that I made on this account. So once you see those green light over here, you can just click sign in, and you will access the same account, and that's it. That is all that is required. Set up your development environment and work with all the lectures in this upcoming videos. So I'm gonna wrap it all here. Thanks for watching and have a great day.